Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be adding in video to our document. And we can do that by coming to our cursor. And then what we're going to do is go to the edit command. We're then going to go to the insert command. And then we're going to click movie from file. We'll then grab the video that we want to add to our document. We'll then click open. And what you'll notice is that you have the icon and it'll be connected to your mouse movement. That means then that you can place that icon wherever you want to have it inside of your document. In this case, we're going to place it all the way at the end. Kindle will tell you that it's adding the plugin, and then what you'll do is you'll be able to title your content, write a short description, as well as alternative text. Once you have the content the way you want it, you'll then click Save. And again, you can repeat this as many times as you feel you need to inside of your content. So for example, if you want to put another video or an audio on the second page, you can do that. So for example, what we would do is we would click the Edit command. We would then click the Insert command, and then we would click Audio from File. And once we selected our audio, we would then have an audio icon connected to our mouse. All we would need to do is to place that audio icon. Kindle will say it's adding the plugin. And then once you've added the plugin, you'll then be able to write your description. And so what you'll do here is you'll decide on what kind of audio player that you're going to have. In this case, you can choose between a full player or a toggle player. You can choose the appearance and then write in your text. Once you've written in your text, you can then click Save. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.